Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you and give you some tips on how to draw Spider-Man from reference video. So firstly, when you start your drawing, do not worry of making so many lines and make sure that you draw very lightly so that you can correct your drawing later if there is any mistake. At this point, you should not be worried or you should not be hurried in making the details, and you should just keep observing the reference photo as often as possible. So I'm just trying to draw it very loose and mostly dealing with the basic shapes. Starting the drawing with basic shapes and that too very lightly is very important. It is a foundation on which your drawing stands. So I suggest you not to skip the process of drawing simple lines and shapes. Now I'm just going on adding layers on top of layers by just watching the reference. Drawing hands is a bit difficult and time consuming process, so make sure to spend enough time on it. As I am happy with the basic shapes of the drawing, I am gonna darken the outlines, as darkening the outlines of the drawing gives it a comic book style. While drawing the eyeglasses of Spider-Man, watch the reference photo carefully and do not be in a hurry to complete it. I want to say that drawing from reference is not a bad thing to do. Rather, it's very good exercise to improve your drawing. So make sure you do it. Now I'm gonna go much deeper into the details, so I'm drawing the strings attached to the clothes. So guys, as the video is getting too long, I'm gonna time lapse it and show you the finished drawing. At last, add some shading to your drawing to make it comic book style. Alright guys, I'm ending the video here and I thank you all for watching my video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content.